Alright, let's get straight to the point. We're putting 3 top VPNs designed for your DSL router under the microscope, and we've got just 3 minutes to find the perfect one for your home network setup. Let's dive in. First, what do NordVPN, PIA, and IPVanish all get right for DSL router use? They've got the essentials locked down. We're talking military-grade encryption, so your entire network stays safe from snoopers. They all include a kill switch, which instantly cuts your internet if the VPN fails, protecting every device connected to your router from exposure. And they've all had their no-logs policies verified, meaning they don't keep records of your online activity across your whole home. But the places where they differ, that's really what matters for DSL routers. Let's break it down. NordVPN is the best option for DSL routers because of its speed and features. It uses a huge network of RAM-only servers, which means your data is wiped clean with every reboot, a major plus for privacy. Another great feature is threat protection. It blocks ads and malicious sites that could infect any device on your network, even when the VPN is off. It also has a cool tool called MeshNet, letting you securely connect to other devices or family members remotely with ease. The one small negative? A limit of 10 devices at a time, though for most homes, that's plenty. Now that device limit is a non-issue with both private internet access and IPVanish. They give you unlimited simultaneous connections, so no matter how many gadgets or smart devices you have hooked up through your DSL router, your network stays protected. But PIA's biggest strength is its radical transparency. It's the only one here with fully open source software, so any tech-savvy user can inspect the code for backdoors. And here's the clincher. Their no-logs claim has been challenged in court and held up. That's more than just talk, it's been tested. Then we have IPVanish, the totally independent operator. Its special sauce? It owns and operates its entire server infrastructure. No middlemen, they control all their equipment, which means a more stable connection for your whole network. And for anyone wanting to reduce lag on gaming consoles or smart TVs connected via your DSL router, it provides a SOC 5 proxy for lower ping options. This can help route traffic more efficiently. Just keep in mind it trades off a layer of encryption for that speed boost. Okay, ready for the big question. Which one is fastest for DSL routers? NordVPN is the clear winner in raw speed, powered by its custom NordLynx technology. This means faster downloads and smoother streaming across all your devices. IPVanish is a very close second, delivering impressive and steady ping times using the WireGuard protocol. Private internet access is a bit less predictable. It can be quick, but our tests found its performance can vary depending on the server you pick. So, which VPN should you choose for your DSL router? Here's a simple guide. Choose NordVPN if speed and stability for multiple devices on your network are your top priority, or if you want the best all-around VPN with tons of security features. Go with IPVanish if you have a whole smart home full of connected devices. Its unlimited connections and self-run servers offer incredible value. And finally, pick PIA if you want rock-solid privacy with verifiable transparency on a budget. And that's it. We're all out of time. So if you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments which VPN you're running on your DSL router. See you soon.